God, we thank you for your faithfulness. We bless you.
Everybody honor it. For you to be here present this evening, we're indeed very grateful for your presence.
Thank you.
Thank you
very much. Some of the stories here. First,
and all I know is that I passed through all the processes. I passed through all the processes. But like I have said earlier, I don't want to join words with anybody because we are all under a party. We are all under our party, leadership of our party. And I'm made to understand that even these people that are going up and down, that they are APC members. They are APC members. They are being gingered by APC members because they are frightened with my presence in the ballot. In a few days, you will hear more news. Good news, of course, because the Labour Party is geared towards separating the shots from the greens. If you are not with us, don't come and destroy us. Don't come and destroy us. So I'm very sure that the party itself will come out with a statement that will calm all the nerves. I was never imposed on anybody. I was never shortchanged. By anybody, and I never gave shishi to anybody. In fact, I left APC because it became cash and carry. I said it that day. And I decided to go to a place where I know they don't give shishi. And I know I don't have shishi. So I have to go to a place where they don't give shishi. And I must commend the leadership of Labour Party, either at national level or state level. They are really, really living within the tenets of their conviction, their belief, their objective. Nobody has asked me for 1 naira. Nobody in the party, either at federal level or at state level. Nobody has asked me for even 1 naira. And I'm very impressed. They should keep it up.